Hi guys, I'm back. So as promised, I'm doing a MAC haul for you guys. It was actually a MAC Estee Lauder sale that I went to, and it was located in Toronto, and I decided that I was going to go through all of the swag that I bought. I bought a lot of stuff and I spent way too much money, but a lot of the stuff was like half the price and maybe even less than half of the price. So I'm just going to go through most of the stuff that I bought. Actually, I'll go through all of the stuff that I bought. Some of the stuff I'm going to actually use in my tutorials, just do probably an updated lipstick tutorial for you guys, but I'm just going to get started now. I'll show you guys what I bought. So I picked up these two little makeup bags. I thought they were really cute for the spring. They had like these cute flowers on them. I have so many makeup bags, I probably didn't need these, but I picked these up anyways. They're actually really nice gifts too, especially this one. They're both Estee Lauder, so I picked these two up. I picked up this really cool kit. It comes with like 3 different products. It comes with like a liquid lipstick, a prep and prime, which is used for your lips before you put your lipstick on, and then it also has a lip liner in it. And I didn't even open this. I'm going to open it in front of you guys. Oh, it's actually really pretty. So as I mentioned, it comes with the liquid lipstick, the lip liner, as well as the prep and prime. So I'll definitely be using this color in one of my tutorials. This is one of my favorite shades when it comes to like darker colors. Definitely not something that I would wear every day, but really nice color. If you guys want to know what this color is called, I think it says on the back. Call Me Love. That's what the packaging says. Call Me Love. Now moving on to some of the other products I bought. They actually ended up having some Aveda products. So where I go to get my hair done, it's called Chevello. It's in Toronto, and they sell a lot of Aveda. It's like an Aveda salon. They sell a lot of Aveda products. So I found that they had this Aveda dry shampoo. Now with having a baby, I thought I can't always wash my hair, and my hair probably only gets washed like once a week. I'm gonna try this new dry shampoo. Their products are really good, so I'll test this one out. I'll let you guys know what it's like when I do use it. It's kind of like a powder. Never used it before, but I'm excited to use this. And then I bought this shampoo. It's called Damage Remedy. It looks pretty cool. I was actually recommended by my hairstylist to buy this in the store, and I'm actually glad I didn't buy it because it was actually really cheap at the sale versus what they sell it for in the salon. Now, a lot of the products, you guys are going to wonder why this is packaged like this. A lot of the products were packaged and sealed, which was really good because that prevents people from like opening stuff and testing it out and then just leaving it open there, and then you eventually buying it and it's been opened. So moving on to the next product, I bought this set of brushes. I'm going to actually take it out of the packaging. So this is just a set of small brushes. It's nice for when you travel. I'm doing a lot of like staying over and going to my mom's house now, so I thought it'd be nice to have a set of brushes that would be easy to take with me. So this is just a set of 4 brushes. It has like a stippling brush, a thinner brush, something for foundation, and yeah, they're really cute. They have like a gold sort of handle. And then I was actually looking for a new foundation brush. So I picked up this Clinique one. Actually, when I bought it, I actually thought it was a MAC brush. But when I brought it home, it said Clinique, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to open it for you guys because it comes in this like packaging like this. And the girl at the sale recommended this for me. It's actually called a buff brush, but she said it can be used for foundation. And it looks like this. I like love the handle on it. And it's actually sealed and everything. So like nobody's touched it. Nobody's tested it out, which is really good. Definitely going to be using this, and probably will replace the one I've been using in all my other tutorials. The other one, the old one I have, I think is from like Costco or something, and definitely needs to go in the garbage now. So this one is going to be my go-to. Moving on to the next product, I got a new pencil for my brows. I've been using the NYX Tamer Frame Brow Pomade, but I thought, you know what, it's time I started using another pencil. So this one is a Smashbox Brow Tech Gloss Stick. It's in dark brown. And again, it has like one end is the spoolie, one end is the product. I'll definitely be using this in my tutorials as well. Sometimes I find like where I'm like missing some hairs, it's hard to get into those like spots with the Tame and Frame Brow Pomade, because when you start to blend it, the color kind of goes away. Like it blends really well, but sometimes I need like the pencil to define it a little bit better. So I'm excited to use that. And then I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, but they did have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, but it's pore minimizing. Even though I've been told I don't have big pores at all, I thought it's worth a try. It kind of has the consistency of the Benefit Porefessional, so I thought I wanted to try this one out. It's just a smaller size. It is, how many? 0.5 fluid ounces, or 15 ml. So it's really small, so I could probably travel with this too. And then I got this really cool palette. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's called Smoke Luxe, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades in here. And I'm excited to use this because one of the shades, so the second one down is really sparkly, and then so is the second to last, which is the gray. So I'm excited to use this in a tutorial as well. And I picked one up for my other sister because she really likes to do the smoky eyes, so I got her this. And then I bought this, I think it's a blush. I don't even know, honestly. I just saw it and I thought it's so cool. Okay, so it says Strange New Worlds is what it's called. Trip the Light Fantastic Powder. So it's like one of these powders, like a bunch of like swirls in it. And I just bought it because I thought it was really pretty for the summer to use as a blush. So yeah, I thought that was really nice. And it has a bit of a highlight shimmer to it. And although I haven't really used this product before, I use the shade NC30, but I don't use the Studio Fix powder anymore. I used to use it quite a bit. And I also use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, but I thought I'd try this mineralized foundation. I'm not going to open it yet though until I'm ready to use it. So it just comes with this like foil insert. Like you have to undo it. And it's basically what it is. It's it comes with like a sponge, and it's just mineralized foundation, but it's in the form of like a powder. So really excited to use that. And I love the packaging. They've really changed their packaging. So story on this, I got a mineralized blush, but it was the wrong shade. Actually, I didn't even ask for this. They gave me the wrong shade. So as I mentioned before, you have to write down all your numbers on a paper. The lady misread it, and my fault, I didn't check the bag. Remember I told you they put it in like one of these bags? So anyways, this is the wrong shade. It's Cosmic Force, which is really light for my skin tone. It's like basically matches my skin tone. Because they have Estee Lauder there, I saw this Pure Color Lip and Cheek Summer Glow. I've been looking for something like this because there's some tutorials I want to do, which I'm not going to tell you what they are, but I think this would be really nice for that. It's basically a stick on one end. It has like the highlight for the cheek. Really cool. And then on the other end, it has like this sparkly lip gloss, which looks like this. So I'm really excited to use this. A lot of the pink shades that I use on my lips, this lip gloss will look really good because it's kind of like translucent but has like a sparkle to it. And then I also was able to buy a bunch of lipsticks. I think I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm really looking forward to doing a MAC lipstick video for you guys. So a while ago, I did a best MAC lipstick video for you guys for Indian skin. So I'm really looking forward to using these lipsticks to do an updated one for you guys. I'm not going to open all of them, but I'm going to show you. I'm just going to actually tell you guys what shades they are. One of them is called Yash, Be Silly, Red Rock. This one is Peach Blossom. I really like the packaging on this one. It's really cool. I've never seen that before. Tropic Tonic. And this one's Given. So these are the 6 that I bought, and I'm going to do another video for you guys. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but some of them are neutral shades, some of them are nude shades, pink shades, red, and orangey shades. So there they are. And then I was also able to pick up some lip liners. Unfortunately, they didn't have very much selection, but I did find 3 that were really nice. The 3 that I got were, one of them is just like a regular lip liner, and this one's called Rosy Rim. And this one was in a box, so this you can see the color on the outside. And then these ones are the Pro Longwear lip liners. So these ones are supposed to stay on longer. And this color is, hold on, I need to see. I can't read. Okay, Trust in Red, which is like the red color. And then this one's In Control, which is like a brownie pink color. So while I was in line at the sale, there was actually a really long line. There was a really nice lady in front of us who actually told us that at the end of the sale, they give you an opportunity to buy this swag bag, which is only like 20 bucks. And basically you buy it and the money goes to charity, and it goes to cancer research. So on the way out, I was able to grab this swag bag. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So again, it came in like this plastic bag that was sealed. And it looked like this. And there's a bunch of products in here. So I'm just going to quickly go through them with you guys. So I got 2 of the Brow Duo. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to have to find somebody to give these to because they're both blonde shades. And I'm going to actually try one of them. Maybe it will work pretty decent. But I might give one to my mom. We'll see what happens with these. But I got 2 of them. I also got 2 of the Dazzling Glass. They're also from MAC. They're called Love Alert. And these are really cool lip glosses. They have a bit of like shimmer, like sparkle to them. And then I also got 2 lip liners from MAC. And just by looking at the colors on the outside, I was super excited. I'd actually never seen these lip liners before at MAC. They're Velvet Tease lip pencils. So these are the 2 colors on the outside. I'm actually going to open these for you guys because I'm also in love with the packaging. So the lip liners are kind of like a chubby stick. And it looks like that. And the same with the other one, but it's just a different shade. And then the package also came with 2 lipsticks. So already you guys can see this was like an amazing deal. The first color is Supernova. So this is really nude. Actually, with that being said, I might not even keep this one. I think it looks really light. And then the other one is Glamorized. It's called Huggable Lip Color. So it's the kind of lipstick. So it's different than the other ones. Packaging is like this. And oh my god, look at that color. It's stunning. And then, as I mentioned before, there was Estee Lauder stuff there too. So I got a bunch of Estee Lauder stuff in this as well. So one of them is Pure Color Envy Shine. It's a sculpting shine lipstick. And this color is called Innocent. And then as far as the other Estee Lauder stuff goes, one of them is a mattified lipstick. And the shade is Miss You. So there's the top. I'll open this actually for you guys, show you. Packaging is really nice too. Oh my god, I can't open it. That's the color. It's actually a really nice color for the spring. It's like a peachy pink color. And then I also got a Flash Photo Gloss. I've actually never heard of this before. It says a cool blue tint that helps your teeth flash selfie white. So I thought this was really cool. I've never heard of this before, but yeah, it kind of looks like that. Interesting. And then the last product is More Than Brows. It's Define Line and Shade. So it's an all-in-one pencil. So it says this powder pencil does it all. Defines brows, lines eyes and shades, and smokes the lids. And this color is Espresso. So it would go with my eyebrow color. But the interesting thing is you can use it for multiple things. So it's a pencil like this. And the tip looks like that. I can't believe that all of that stuff was only $20. It was well worth it. Even just getting like the 2 lip liners or the 2 lipsticks was enough. But got all that stuff for just 20 bucks, which was amazing. Okay guys, that's it for my MAC haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now make sure you guys look out for... Okay guys, that was it for my MAC haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you guys look out for my updated best MAC lipsticks for brown skin tone. I'm going to be doing that soon, hopefully, for you guys. It's just that I've been juggling my schedule with having a newborn, trying to record videos between her nap times and all that stuff. So I hope to have that for you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!